When we hear the snorty and the grunts, that's how we find her around the house. She's got a really big overbite, and she sounds like a little pug.
What are you doing up there?
She's very tiny. She's got short front legs.
That is entirely too high for you.
She has feline dwarfism, but she does not know how very small she is. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this kitten.
Are you okay? Yeah?
She was from a feral cat colony, and there was a little something off with her. Bucchi. She's abnormally small and not shaped correctly because of all of her facial structure abnormalities that compresses her breathing. So the vets, they were very concerned about her because she was so small. I work at a vet clinic, and so they came and they're like, did you see the kittens that were in the back? And I'm like, no, I didn't see them. And then she just kind of popped her head around, and she just had the cutest little face.
Oh, what you doing?
So I brought her home that day. We were quite nervous because she was so small, but she just walked in the place like she'd always been there. The other cats that I have walked up to her and didn't even blink an eye. I was very paranoid about leaving her at home.
What are you doing?
So Bucci, she used to come with me to work.
Got to come with me to work today? Yeah.
We say it's her office hours. She needs to go do some important kitty business. She finds like the smallest little bugs that she can chase around, and then she'll curl up.
Hi. How you doing?
She's like, okay, business hours are over. We're done. Because she has feline dwarfism, she is prone to a lot of breaks and things like that. We have to make sure that she doesn't jump too high and too far. Shortly after we got her, she spooked herself and reversed and broke both sides of her pelvis. So she has to be very, very careful. But it's part of adopting your babies. When you adopt and rescue these animals, they do the same for you. They rescue you out of loneliness and out of whatever bad days you're going through. They're always there for you. And it's just nice that something so small can bring such happiness to people.